We are visiting the son of Brother Sukmi. Bariabot.
Saat muk doy yai saat ba.
Squal mak yai. Squal. Oh. Mag-o na sa imo nga language. Ansang saren mong dap mo mao. This is the typical house here in the province. This is our place compound. So big. You have fish pan there, right there. But it's not yet rain too much. That's why there's no water. It's dried. Ba, Nyaming, no no mean I no no.
Năng cái châm chợ tụi ngoan gì châm chắc châm chợ tôi năng năng cái đỏ năng con thở cái đội ngoan gì á đây này
Oh. Mommy doesn't know how to carry. I will take a picture. Take picture with the baby.
I want to hold. It's so cute.
Yeah, so cute.
Can I hold?
nửa đây là nửa lè nó vô anh đi chơi giờ nè ta
Ano nang gusto niya? Console chat anang.
hani ang wala pa dala sa iya pa.
Gaan mo lang ano eh. Yeah, so I will tour you here. So this is how we preserve water. Yeah, we harvested from the rain. That's stable for the cow. Now chumbing pitias ana kit sa bitong. Oh. Fish pan. This is the kitchen. Yeah. Kitchen.
Tiny mom ko yung sot ni tiny at aye atro kontro atro yam pong yam dakong pong lay taman
So we use that to cook the food. Yeah. Right there is our face pan, but doesn't have much water because the rain just come, not enough water yet. There. So when the rain comes, and then it would have a lot of water again, and put some fry or small fish to start. The ambience here in province is so good. So cool. So they're right there. So let's go back to the church building and the parsonage. Pastor Bob is there cooking wild chicken. So we're gonna have chicken soup for our lunch. Here took me a lot of chickens, as you can see around, so many. Look at that. Yeah, they're running away. Yeah, so many. Yeah, that's a wild chicken. The soup is so yummy. Just this rooster and hen. Yeah. So we put cyclone, as you can see here, because some of the area. So me raise chicken right there. I'll go there later. Right there, so many chickens. This is rice field. So that's the other side of our church building. Usually in the province, people do like this. They dig and put artificial pan, and then if not raining, so the encounter shortage of water, and then they do like that, so that they use that water for cooking and a shower, and the cow and the animals can drink there also. But when the rain comes, and then will be a lot of water again. Lots of me cow eating some rice plant. Now it's cloudy, so I'll show you our parsonage right here. Pastor Bob is here. This is the parsonage of Pastor Bob in Mami Liz. Here's Pastor Bob.
Diyos. Hello?
Hello, Pastor Bob is
Wala kami ka paninda. We did not able to go to the market, so we do not have any viand for this land. So we just kill a chicken. Mantener lang kami anay sining manok kay pigado gid subong.
yeah, we just arrived. We don't have time to go to the market, so we just cook wild chicken.
We clean.
So in Cambodia, if you don't have food, you just eat chicken for a while.
Clean thoroughly the chicken so that we can sip the soup.
Yeah.
Very yummy.
Yeah, so this is the parsonage of Pastor Bob. Pastor Bob has 2 stories. And here the second story there.